He was right on the number, so I let him go. As you could tell, it was pretty windy. But we kept on fishing. Next, I caught this baby drum. He was way under the number. Next, I caught this baby red. He was a little bit bigger, but still wasn't a keeper, so I decided to move locations. These pelicans were also waiting for the wind to die down and the fish to come in. And the pelicans were right. I didn't catch much, only this hardhead. Things were looking pretty bad. The bite had stopped, and 100 yards away, I could hear my friend Rick screaming that he caught something. I thought he caught a huge rock, but he managed to land this 38-inch monster drum. He didn't catch it on video, but watching him catch and release that monster was the highlight of our day. All in all, we had a blast. Thanks for watching. Click on my face to subscribe to my channel to watch more fun fishing videos coming this summer. Click on the square to watch me catch a 20-inch trout. Thanks again. See you in the next video.